Welcome back to the channel. It's May 8th, 2025. We're going to do an update on our OUACHITA blackberries. Now this is going to be their second year that we're harvesting fruit off of them. That means they've been here for 3 years. First year you don't get any fruit. You get a lot of spindly growth, and you winter that over. Try to get it up off the ground and trellis it. It's going to be a little low. And then the second year you're going to get more erect canes, thicker, much thicker, and they'll stand erect. If you may have to stake them or trellis them, but I lost a few because they busted off because I didn't trellis them right away. You got to keep on them, got to keep after them. But the ones that I did manage to keep up are looking real nice. Let's just take a walk through here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Now they're getting ready to flower. You can see all the little buds here, all those little balls. They'll open up into a beautiful flower, and I'll update a video when they open up. But that's where your fruit will set. Now these were tipped off and lateral growth is coming out nice here. This is all new growth here this spring. And let me show you what's happening down here low. We're getting new canes coming up. Now this cane here is that's a little over a foot tall already, and you see how nice and thick that's getting already, and it'll be like that by the end of the summer, nice and thick. Did you want to say hello? Did you want to say hello? Chickens are popular in videos for some reason. Alright, got some maintenance I need to do in here. There's another new cane coming up. Here you can see where one busted off last year, and I have no big plant here like I do in the other spots. I had 2 break off down to the ground. I had I don't know if it was insect damage or whatever, but they snapped off. But this is all new growth this year. There was nothing here last year, but the roots survived. The top of the plant died off or broke off or whatever happened. I can't exactly remember. I got some spreading coming out of the rows here. I can dig these up and replant them somewhere else if I like, but they can't stay there. I like to be able to keep my patch nice and confined and easy to pick and manage. Nice. Lots of new growth on these. Now, the variety I believe is OUACHITA. That's what they came labeled, but that's never a guarantee that it's going to be accurate. People make mistakes sometimes. I've already gotten red raspberries that were supposed to be black raspberries. So there you have it. Looks like it's going to be a decent year. I don't think we're going to have as many berries as we did last year, but that's because I had all them low spindly vines everywhere. They were just so loaded up. It was a nightmare to pick, and this year it'll be nice. And once again, the variety OUACHITA. I believe it's OUACHITA anyhow. That's the label that was on them. I can only hope that's what it is. Whatever it is, it seems to do real well here in southeastern Pennsylvania. I'm in Berks County, Pennsylvania, and the growing zone is 6B here in my But we have a lot of little microclimates. I'm kind of up in the hills here, so it's a little cooler here. We'll have snow on the ground here. We'll have 3-4 inches of snow, and then down in the valley, they won't have anything but rain. So it's a little cooler here. I'm a little later. It always greens up down below quicker than it does here. But it makes it nice, because then, you know, when you go to sell your produce, you can compete with the competition, because you're off harvest by a couple weeks, you know. So when they're at a lull, I'm picking my prime crop, and it works out. All right, well, thanks for watching. If you feel like it, like and subscribe. If not, just scroll on by. Have a great day. Warrior in the garden out here.